If there's one thing European RVs absolutely nail, it's this idea of fitting real, home-like comfort into a surprisingly compact package, and this low-profile motorhome is a perfect example of that. It's cozy, clever, and very European in the way it uses every inch of space without feeling cramped. Now, European RVs are never going to be the same as their North American counterparts, and that's totally fine. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Neither is better or worse, they're just built around different philosophies. The good news is that we get to look at both, appreciate what each one does well, and decide what works best for our own style of travel. When it comes to European manufacturers, Rimour is right up there among the big names. This Italian brand has been around for about 5 decades, and they've built a reputation for offering a wide range of motorhomes with lots of choices, all aimed at different budgets and tastes. The idea is simple. There should be a Rimour out there for just about everyone. The Colleague series is one of the newest additions to the Rimour lineup, and it also happens to be the most affordable. While the layouts themselves are shared with other brands under the Trigano Group umbrella, like Chausson, Rimour manages to offer them at a price point that's hard to beat, especially when you look at the overall value you're getting. Put simply, among the big European RV makers, Rimour stands out as one of the most budget-friendly options without making major sacrifices in quality, and that's a pretty big deal. The Colleague range includes both low-profile motorhomes and overcab models, all built on the Ford Transit chassis. They stay under the 3,500 kilogram limit, which means you can drive them on a standard car license in most European countries. No upgrades, no extra hassle. The Colleague 67 Plus is a particularly interesting model because it's the only one in the range to offer an XL bed. Calling it a bedroom isn't quite accurate, though, because there's no fixed bedroom at the back. Instead, Rimour makes a smart trade-off by installing a full-width, surprisingly spacious bathroom at the rear and placing the main bed above the dinette as a drop-down unit. And yes, it's a proper XL drop-down bed. Built on a Ford Transit with a 2.0-liter engine producing 130 horsepower as standard, paired with a manual gearbox, this motorhome really feels designed with couples in mind, at least by European standards. An automatic transmission is available if that's your preference. The layout itself isn't revolutionary, and you'll find similar ideas in other motorhomes. But what really stands out here is just how compact everything is. The Colleague 67 Plus measures only 6.44 meters in length and 2.34 meters in width, yet it can still sleep up to 4 people, seat them all safely with belted seats while driving, handle meals, and provide everything you need for a comfortable road trip. That 4-berth capacity comes from the optional convertible dinette, which turns into a second bed when you drop the table. With that setup, you end up with a bunk-style arrangement at the front, while the kitchen and bathroom remain fully usable, which is a nice touch. Realistically, though, this motorhome shines brightest as a couple's RV. With the drop-down bed lowered, the dinette still works, but it's more limited. During the day, when the bed is tucked neatly into the ceiling, the living area opens up into a spacious and surprisingly elegant lounge. You get comfortable bench seating, swivel captain's chairs, overhead storage, a TV, and a choice of color schemes and fabrics that all look genuinely nice and modern. The mid-mounted galley kitchen is well-equipped, featuring a 3-burner cooktop, which is actually one more than the European norm, a round stainless steel sink, decent storage, and a tall 141-liter fridge with a separate freezer. In the UK version, Rimour even swaps out one drawer to add an oven with a grill, because that's something British campers simply refuse to live without. At the very back, the bathroom hides a really pleasant surprise. Behind the rear wall, there's a large wardrobe with shelves and hanging space sitting above the garage area. You do lose a bit of headroom in there, but the payoff is having enough storage to make sure you're always dressed for whatever the trip throws at you. The bathroom itself is a dry setup with a glass-enclosed shower, a cassette toilet, and a compact sink built into a vanity with storage. For a motorhome of this size, it's impressively roomy. And once again, it's made possible by giving up a traditional bedroom layout. For the 2026 model year, the Kilig 67 Plus gets updated fabrics, finishes, and refined details, which basically means you can mix and match to give the interior a more personal feel. Standard equipment includes a rear-view camera, the MEB 300 Smart Energy System, Truma Combi for heating and hot water, 80 liters of fresh water, and 70 liters of wastewater. That's fairly typical for a European RV in this size class, even if it doesn't offer massive off-grid autonomy. If you want more, the options list lets you add solar panels, extra batteries, more engine power, an automatic gearbox, and additional styling touches inside and out. Rymor likes to say there's a Kilig for everyone, and with the number of layouts and customization options available, that's probably not far from the truth. They even claim that love at first sight exists, and that it looks a lot like the Kilig 67 Plus. As for pricing, the 2026 model starts at around £60,000 to £63,000, or roughly €50,000 to €55,000, which translates to about $58,500 to $64,300, depending on the market, options, and dealer. For what you're getting in such a compact and thoughtfully designed package, that's definitely something worth a closer look.